Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the VECELO round dining room table. A perfect blend of simplicity and elegance for your kitchen, living room, or office. This table boasts an antique brown wood grain tabletop paired with a unique butterfly wing-shaped steel frame, ensuring both style and durability. Designed to comfortably seat 2 to 4 people, its 31.5-inch circular silhouette and open crisscross frame provides sturdy support with a maximum load of 220 pounds. Crafted from high-quality P1 grade MDF board and a steel frame, this table effortlessly complements a range of aesthetics from rustic to contemporary. Versatile in use, it stands at 30 inches high, making it ideal as a dining, leisure, or small conference table, with height-adjustable foot pads to ensure stability on any surface. Assembly is a breeze, taking less than half an hour with the included manual, and the smooth, waterproof tabletop makes cleaning a cinch. Elevate your dining experience with the VECELO round dining room table, where cherished memories are made. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.